Hello student, in this video I will demonstrate you how you can enumerate network using NetBios utility. So let's begin. Here I have a Kali Linux operating system. Now let me open terminal. And let me check IP address of this Kali Linux operating system. I have IP address 192.168.159.223. Now let me check IP address of this Windows 10 operating system. It has a 192.168.159.130. Now just open Genmap in Kali Linux operating system using Genmap command. Now define IP address of target machine. Our target machine is Windows 10. Windows 10 has IP address .130. Use capital O and now start to scan. It will take few seconds to enumerate information of Windows 10. Now you can see enumeration is completed. Windows 10 has port number 80 is open, 135 is open, and 139, it's NetBios session ports. It's very important to establish NetBios session with the target machine. 445 port number is open, 554 is open, and another ports also available. You can also see operating system details. So, it's a guessing technique used by Nmap utility. You can see Nmap information. Hope information is also available. So, hope you understand how you can identify which ports are open in target machine. Just use Nmap space dash capital O, then define IP address of the target machine. Now, let me go to the Windows 10 operating system and use command nbt state capital A, define IP address of the target machine. Our target machine is Windows Server 2012 and it has IP address 222. Using nbt state, you can gather information about workgroup details, NetBios remote machine tables details, like it has a MAC address 00C29D19F71. You can cross-check using getMAC command to the target machine. You can see it has same MAC address. You can also gather information about workgroup or domains, and operating system name is also provided. Operating system name is Win2K12. You can cross-check by right-clicking on this PC, go to Properties. You can see Win2K12 is a computer name for this virtual machine. So using nbt state, you can gather information about target. Now let me check set details of the target machine, like folder sharing or file sharing. So use IP address here. The target machine, given that, you can see there is one folder with the name test_share. It's shared by remote machine. you can go to the computer management. And here you can say any folder by right-clicking on Shares, New Share, Next. If you already created folder, let me create another folder. Folder name is Demo. Click Next, Next, Finish, Finish. Let me refresh it. You can see demo is available. Now use same command again on the source computer. You can see demo folder is available. So it is very important for attacker to gather information of sharing folder to upload any data to the target machine. Now you can use NBT state -A and computer name also. The target machine computer name is Win2K12. So you can gather information about the target machine like IP address or etc. Use small a for host name. So you can see we can gather IP address information and target machines detail like computer name and workgroup detail, and MAC address detail is also available. So now let me use one Enumeration tool. Name is Superscan 4. Go to the Windows Enumeration and define target machine IP address 192.168.159.222. Click on Enumerate. You can see we gather lots of information of the target machine like target table details. 204 is for server service name and 004 workstation service name. You can see MAC address detail, IP address detail, computer name, workgroup domain details, users details also available. Guest account is available on target machine. It's disabled. If enabled, we can read any data to the target machine by logging with guest account. We are able to receive group information, RPC detail, account block on policy detail, shares detail, like demo folders is already shared. The PC dollar is remote IPC service is shared. Test_share is also shared. You can see uptime of target machine, session details, remote machines PC detail, which service are running or which services are stopped. So it is very important for attacker to gather target machine details using Enumeration. So thank you for watching this video.